This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So in yesterday, last class, what we have completed? So we have completed the set, right? So set, we have discussed about the set and functions of set, and we have discussed the mathematical functions in the set. So we have discussed about union, intersection, difference, and asymmetric difference and all. So now we have the membership operators. So how can you use membership operators in set? Okay. So what are the membership operators? So in and not in. Okay. So how can we use in and not in? So let me explain. So I have the set one. Okay. So let's do just like this. Okay. If I print set one, what it give like this, right? So as I told earlier, so this order is different way. Here this order is like this, right? But when you print set one, so what is it has that order is different. Okay, understand, right? So that is why index and slicing is not possible in set. Okay, so here suppose I want to print p in set one. Okay, so is it give true or false? So it will give false because small p not exist in this set. Okay, so capital P not in set one. Is it true or false? It will be false because capital P exists in set one, right? So like that, we will discuss small t in set one. So it will give the true. So whether the whatever the string you whatever the character whatever the string you have given in this, it will check the it will check in the set. So whether if it is exist in the set, it will give the true. If it is not exist in the set, it will give the false. Okay. So we will so in and not in used for the checking that string is or any element is exist in the set or not. Okay. So just checking purpose. It will give the output as boolean value. Okay. Understand, right? So next what we have, set comprehension. Okay. So set comprehension is possible or not? For set comprehension is possible or not? It is possible. Okay. For x in range of 10. So how many elements, how many objects it will give for x in range of 10? So it will give 0 to 9 values. Okay. I want to print x. Okay. So if I print set, so what it returns? So 0 to 9. So s1 equal to, so I want to for x in range of 20. Okay. X. So whatever the comprehension we have practiced in the list, so those concepts will applicable here. So if okay x greater than 5. Okay. Understand, right? So what it print? it will print the whatever the values greater than 5. Okay, so 1 to 0 to 5 it skipped. Okay, it skipped the 0 to 5. From 6 to 19 it printed here. Okay, understand, right? So any doubts you have here? So one more example I will tell you. For assume range of, okay, 2 to 20, step 2. Okay, I am giving step 2. So here, so I want to give, if I give double star, what it means? If I give double star, what it means? If I give single star, it is a multiplication. So if I give double star, it is a exponent. Okay, see. So whatever the values it has, it will print here. Okay. So any doubts you have here? So list comprehension and set comprehension both are same. Only difference is there we use the parenthesis. Here we are using the curly braces. So except that there is no difference. Okay, understand, right? So I have a one list. So I we have already discussed this one earlier. So list one I have. So in this list one I have like this. So like this I have. I want to remove the duplicates from this list. How can you remove? So by using L2 or L2 equal to, okay, how can you remove? Set of L1. Okay. If you print L2, what it return? It return the set. If you want to return it in the list, you can convert it to the list format. Okay. How can you convert? By using this, you can convert. Okay. If I print L2 now, you can see the output list. Okay, so another one, so I have one word. Okay, in that word whether the uh, how many vowels exist in that word, we have to find out. So how can you find out? So I want to take the S3. So, sorry, set of, okay, what is the word I have? I have Python. Okay, training. I have Python training. Okay, so after that, I want to recode the vowels. Okay, what are the vowels we have? Tell me. Okay, these are the vowels, right? So how can you find out? So how many vowels are present in? Sorry, how many vowels find out in this one? So only vowels you have to extract. How can you extract? So here, uh, V2. Okay, so S3 dot intersection we discussed, right? Okay, so intersection of what we have to give in here, we have to give this one. Okay, so if we print v2, what it will print? So a e I O, check. Here I is printed differently. That is why it was not considered as I. Okay, this is the I. Let me check it again. Now you can print the V2. See, three vowels exist in this Python training. Okay, understand, right? How many vowels exist? Three vowels. That is O, A, I. Okay, so by using this intersection, we can find out the vowels from the set. Okay, understand, right? See, no, I am getting no response from the
Yes.
class. So I have two sets. So set one I have. Okay. So what we have in the set one I have like this. Set two I have. So like this I have. Okay. So how can you find out whether the both the sets have common elements or not? Okay. So by using there is a is disjoint function is there. By using that one, see it will sometimes it will suggest the like this also. Okay, is disjoint we can use set 2. Okay, see see there is no common elements, right? Set 1 and set 2 no common elements, that's why it return the true. If there is no, if there is any common elements, it will return the false. Okay, it will check, disjoint will check the if there is any common elements between two sets or not. Okay, if there is no common elements, it will return the true. If there is a common elements, then it will return the false. Okay, suppose I have two lists. Okay, so how can we find out the whether that two lists have common elements or not? Okay, so L3 I have. Okay, same 1 2 3. Okay, so L4 I have 3 4 5. Okay, I have two lists. Okay, how can you find out common elements? Respond. Have you practiced earlier classes? So I think you haven't practiced earlier classes, because we already discussed about the these concepts. Okay, so set of L3. Okay, what we have to give here? We have to give intersection. Okay, intersection, what it will return? It will return the common elements in the both the lists. Okay, but what we are doing here, we are converting that into set. List we are converting into set. Understand, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what it return? It will return the common element value in the list. Okay, understand, right?
Yes. Yes. Understand.
So I have set 3. Okay, 1 comma 3. Okay, I have set 4. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So whether set 3 is subset of set 4, we have to check. So how can we check? Set 3 is subset
Is
we have.
subset.
Yeah, set form. Why you have object as no attribute did you means, sorry, subset. So now you got the whether if it is the set 3 exists in set 4, then it will return the true. If this set doesn't exist in the set 4, then it will return the false. Okay, understand, right? So for this we have completed the set concept. Okay, so we have the another, we will start the dictionary. Before starting the dictionary, um, in the previous class I have given the assignment, right? So what assignment I have given? I asked you to practice these functions, right? Have you practiced or not?
Yes, Sunil.
Okay. So if you practiced, then share your screen and I am stopping the
This
recording.
conference will now be recorded.
So what is the dictionary? Anyone tell me? What is the dictionary in Python?
It is having keys and values
Okay.
used to store the data.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. Earlier, we discussed about the list tuple set, right? There and all. If you want to, if you want to represent the group of individual objects, there only individual objects, it will accept the in list tuple and set, right? So here, if you want to represent key value pairs, okay, so then we should go for the dictionary. So it dictionary will accept the key value pair, and here whatever keys are unique ones. Okay, you should not declare duplicate keys here. Okay, and both keys and values you can declare duplicates also. Okay, that is not, there is no problem with the values. Okay, any duplicates you can declare in the values, but keys you should not declare duplicate values. Okay, so and heterogeneous values also acceptable, means different types of data. Okay, and as I told you in the set and the tuple, here insertion order is sorry, set, I told you in the set there is no insertion order, right? If you insert in this one order, so it will insert in, if you print that value, it will show in the other order. So in the dictionary also, if you insert key value pairs in the one order, it should not be in the same order, it would be in the any order. Okay, so that is why here indexing and slicing is not possible. Okay, so there is no indexing and slicing concept in the dictionary. Understand, right? And dictionaries are mutable or immutable? Anyone tell me, dictionaries are mutable or immutable? Dictionaries are mutable. Okay, you can change the dictionary. So you can add the key value pairs, you can delete the values and keys in the dictionary. Okay, so you can manipulate the dictionary. Okay, so how can you declare the dictionary? In two ways we can declare dictionary. Okay, so by using curly braces you can declare, and by using dict function you can declare. Okay, understand, right? So if you, so I have declared dictionary here. D is dictionary, right? I have declared dictionary. So how can I add elements to the dictionary, key value pairs to the dictionary? So D of, suppose I want to add 100 key. So with that 100 key, what I want to add? Okay. So I want to add any name. So Python exists. With that key, Python exists. So with the 200, okay, Java it exists. Okay. In the 300, .NET it exists. So whatever the values, this is the key. That is why key value, this is the key, this is the value. So how can it added to dictionary? So in this d value in the dictionary, how it can be 100 colon, okay, Python, okay, like that, comma 200 colon, okay, 300 colon, okay, like that it will be added these key value pairs to the dictionary. Okay, so let's see in the practical way. I have declared the dictionary. If you want, you can check. So it is the dictionary. So how can you add the to the dictionary? So dia 100, okay, dia 200, okay. If I print dictionary like this, you will get the, okay. So key should be in any type, okay. Here I have given the numeric, so you should give in other, you can give in the others also, integer you can give, so and string you can give, okay, any type you can give, okay. So key, if you give in the string, it should be also unique one, okay. So you should not give the duplicate. So if you give integer also, you can give the unique one, okay. So try to give the duplicates, okay. So I'm giving the, okay. So what happened now? I have replaced the value in 100 key with Rust, okay. If I print D, Python replaced with Rust, okay. So you cannot add. So I am taking D2, okay. So here 100 apple, okay, again 100 and okay, I'm I have given like this, okay. So what happened if I give like this? Only one value it should take, okay. Other duplicate value it will remove if I give like this, okay. So that is why duplicate keys not accepted in dictionary, okay. If you give in the dictionary declaration, then it should remove the duplicate value and give like this, okay. Sorry, this is the set, it will take as a set, sorry, key value means dictionary only, okay. So dictionary only, so it remove the duplicate values. So if you give also, there is no problem. It will remove the duplicate values and only unique value it should remain. Okay, so understand, right? Any doubts you have here? Do you
No,
have
no.
any doubts? So we have declared the data, but how can we access the data from the dictionary? Okay, so like this, by using key value, you can give like this and access the value of the key. Okay, understand, right? Like that, whatever the key you have to mention here, and you should get the value of that key. Okay, so that's it for today class. So I will continue tomorrow. So tomorrow will be the 1 hour session. Today only we have the half 30 minute session. Okay, I'm stopping the record.